How many hours did we walk yesterday?
15 hours.
15 hours?
Yes. From 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock in the morning. And after the gin tonic, Sarah broke down. What do you have?
Do you want me to call the ambulance?
I was walking 15 hours yesterday. I'm sick.
That's funny.